welcome back to our vlog series. This is only vlog number 2 for us, so it might be rough around the edges, but if it is, leave us a comment. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like, what you want us to improve on. We want to get better, okay? We want you guys to watch these. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and my wife and I co-run the North Pacific Homes Group. And we had a very busy month. It was a fantastic month. June for us. It was a very busy month for real estate for everybody. We had 761 properties sell. That was actually 15% more than June of last year. For ourselves, we had 6 properties sell, 5 of our own listings and 1 for a very happy buyer. We had quite a few events that we went to. We went to a Q Living Furniture event.
I know you probably hear a lot that realtors just go to events and that's all they do. They just schmooze around. Well, today that's actually true. Q Living, which is a local furniture maker here in Victoria, is having an exclusive event for us realtors. So we got invited to go take a look, and the whole point of it is see if we can get you guys some discounts.
Fantastic furniture company here, or furniture outlet I should say, here in Victoria and in Vancouver. The majority of their products are Canadian made. If you haven't heard of them, I highly suggest you go and check them out. Robbie Robertson there is fantastic. And if you're looking at making a purchase there, please give us a call. We'll be able to get you a great discount. We also hosted our own Realtor Open, and we also went to the Opal grand opening. It is a brand new senior citizens complex where anybody can actually buy. You just need to have one resident in there that is 65 plus. So really cool, unique development in the Dockside Green area.
Similar to the event that I had gone to at the Opal, which was a new 65 plus seniors living center a couple of days ago. Today we're hosting our own realtor event at Stonebrook. We only have 2 homes remaining left. So we've got some food, some drink, and a gift card to help get people through the door, realtors through the door, and see if we can find any buyers.
Ricky went to the Sidney street market, got a bunch of locally made products. She brought home homemade pasta because I've been slacking. I haven't been making any. Apologies. She also went out to a bachelorette at the end of the month, so little baby Blake and I were able to spend some good quality father-daughter time. It was also her first birthday, and it was fantastic. We went to the Beacon Hill Park, had a bunch of people come. We went to the petting zoo there. If you haven't been there, definitely go. They have a goat stampede at the end to bring the goats in for feeding. It is awesome. Well, I hope you enjoy.
It is Thursday evening and I'm getting ready to go to the Sidney street market with some friends, which I'm really looking forward to. I haven't been to that market yet this year. It would have started on June 5th and it goes all the way through the summer now until September, and it runs every Thursday from 5:30 to I believe 8:30. And in my opinion, it's one of the best markets that we have in Greater Victoria. There's over 100 vendors and Sidney is such a beautiful place to walk around. So I'm really looking forward to it and I'm gonna be vlogging some of it. If you came here from our last video, thank you so much for watching. This is a new style of content that we are trying on our channel to share some of life in Victoria as well as the local businesses and places that we love supporting. And we are going to make an effort to make these videos a little bit more vloggy, for lack of a better word. When you're not used to it, or even when you are used to it, obviously the whole point of vlogging is to include lots of those fun clips that are entertaining to watch, and it can be hard to remember to pick up your camera and get that footage, but that is something we're going to be making more of an effort in our social activities and work, while of course still being present. So I am looking forward to sharing some of that and hopefully it turns out well. Okay, quick video on what I got. I thought this was such a pretty watercolor for Blake's nursery. We're wanting to do more mindfulness stuff with her. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. This is some lemon pepper pasta that I'm really excited to try. We're having some friends over for dinner on Saturday, so we got this pasta to go with the sauce that we're making. And I got myself some cute drinkware. I feel like that's such an easy way to romanticize the morning. I thought this was such a cute girly pattern. So yeah, to wrap that up, it was a successful night at the market. Every time I go, I feel like I could buy so much more stuff, but I'm really happy with what I got from this evening.
So a bit of a slower weekend, which is fantastic because it is Father's Day weekend. But today we are doing an open house at our new development, Stonebrook. We've talked about it in the past, but 10 single family Bearland strata homes. In our first phase, we only have 2 out of the 7 remaining homes left, and they are our bigger ones, our 6-bedroom and our 4-bedroom with a den. And after that, we're gonna go home, we're gonna hang out, we're gonna relax. And tomorrow on Father's Day, I have a showing in the morning for a beautiful waterfront property with some close clients of ours. Then you're gonna take the rest of the afternoon off. Maybe if weather permits, we're gonna go to the beach and celebrate me as a father. So today we're at our newest listing out in Souk here, 5839 Blythewood Place, getting listing photos, video drone, the whole shebang done. Gonna be listing this in a couple of days. After that, we're gonna head over to our other new listing, 724 Bossy Place, where we've got a showing lined up, hopefully find a buyer. It's gonna be a good day.
Okay, this is my second time recording this because as I was recording, the receiver for our audio flipped my phone off of the tripod. So that is actually the theme and why I am doing a little bit, because I know Alex filmed an intro and an outro for this vlog. But as I was reviewing some of the footage, I noticed we had quite a few audio problems this month, which happens. And normally if I noticed audio issues, I would say, well, let's re-record and get the best quality, crispest audio that we can. I forget where I read this, but I saw somewhere that viewers will be more forgiving of poor quality video than they will of poor quality audio, which makes sense to me. And obviously everything that we're putting out on our channel, all the content that we make, we want it to be as good as possible. That being said, a truth that I have also embraced over the years that I think a lot of people resonate with is sometimes done is better than perfect, or you could make the argument nothing's ever perfect. Done is better than great, even in some circumstances. And that's because really, if you're waiting to have all of the time that you need, the perfect circumstances to move the needle on other goals that you have, you might just never take a step forward. And I'm sure every single one of us wishes that we had more time to pour into every goal and dream that we have in our life. At first, I was nervous to even highlight the fact that we're low on time, because I didn't want it to be perceived by anyone watching this that we don't have enough time for the clients that we're working with, or we don't have enough time for new clients, because that is not the case at all. We are fully able to pour all of the effort that we need to into the activities that are tangibly connected to the success of the people that we work for, our clients. Where I'm talking about this low time coming into play is working on stuff that furthers our brand, or the creative things like playing around with these vlogs that we hope might grow our YouTube channel. Those are the things that are lower priority for us right now, and not lower priority because they don't matter to us, but lower priority because that's just the season of life we're in right now. As I mentioned in the last vlog, I've taken a few steps back from the business to be home full time with our beautiful baby girl, who is 13 months now. And we have some other goals that we're really looking forward to working on, and this just hasn't been the time to invest fully in those, and that's okay. I think it can be such a wonderful thing to be so in your business and focused on the deliverables for the people that you serve that you don't have as much time set aside to work on your business. But ultimately, when you are in that phase for a while, it feels so good to be in a season where you are doing more business planning, and putting in efforts to really get to the long-term goals that you visualize. And I wanted to include that bit because I thought it was important. And in the truth of that, when I started recording this ramble, I always have one eye on the monitor, and Blake woke up, so I had to step away. And I didn't have time to re-record in that moment. So I'm back here now, sharing those thoughts with you. Hopefully they land. I will say also, as I was editing this, I did have the thought that I actually think our May vlog is better than our June vlog, which of course, not what we want. We want these to keep getting better and better every month. But I do think we're gonna find a rhythm for our July one, and hopefully you're enjoying watching this one. And to you watching this, with me saying that, don't feel like you're wasting your time. I certainly appreciate you being here. I was just once again calling attention to the fact that this is a new format for us, but I'm done saying that. That's the last time I'm gonna say it, so hold me to it. And I would love to see you in our July vlog as well. So thank you, and let the vlog continue rolling.
And that is the vlog. Like I said, a little rough around the edges, a little shorter than usual, but we hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it so much that you want to like this video, please do. It'd be fantastic. And if you liked it even more, subscribe to our channel. Makes us feel like we're actually giving out content that you enjoy. Now, in our channel, if you haven't already checked it out, we have a variety of content, not just vlogs. We do monthly market updates, which actually just finished shooting, which you'll notice I'm wearing the same shirt. We try to get out tips for buyers and sellers, what's happening around Victoria, different neighborhood guides. So please subscribe to our channel, check it out. And like I said earlier, if there's anything that you didn't like, that you liked, you want us to improve on, write it down, let us know, and we will make sure that we will be the best real estate content creators in Victoria.